Laugh your way to live good, embracing the comedy of life. Laughter is good for our mental and physical health, and embracing the comedy of life can help us live happier and healthier lives. The benefits of laughter: reduces stress, boosts the immune system, improves mood, promotes social connection, reduces pain. Tips for embracing the comedy of life: watch funny movies and TV shows, read funny books and articles, spend time with funny people, look for the humor in everyday situations, tell jokes and share funny stories. So as you see, laughter is good for us, and there are many ways to embrace the comedy of life. So make laughter a part of your daily lives. Thank you for watching. And subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.